guys! It's 2 o'clock right now and we are going to have our food. We'll be showing y'all. Obviously, we'll be showing all what we are going to eat. But we could not come on camera and talk, but we shot small clips, whatever we did since morning. But we could not talk because we had to post 2 videos today and we were
We
busy.
did.
Yeah.
So if you haven't watched it yet, we'll be linking it in the description box below. So go watch it and
So yeah, we were busy in that, and then once we posted the videos, we had to get ready.
so we got ready और मम्मी ने सब कुछ किया है. We have no clue how to.
Wear sari. She has worn set munda, and I am wearing set sari. So we both do not know how to wear sari or mundu, but our mom helped us, and she's been working since morning. She cooked everything all alone, and she's very tired, but she's not showing it on her face. We know she is too tired right now, but even we could not help her because we were busy editing. That's it for now, and now we are gonna go and have our lunch. We'll see you there. Bye. Hi. So as you all can see, we are so tired. It's 6:20 right now, and we've been wearing this since 2 o'clock, and it is tough.
And also the best thing happened today. What happened is we got a huge surprise from our from our grandparents and Chitta and
Our little brother.
yes.
So they surprised us. My mom and dad, they literally knew everything, and they came today, and I was so
She literally started to cry. So we generally come here and stay with them.
Yeah.
We don't really come here
and we
stay.
come here only for a week.
That's our brother. So we're very happy today. So that's the best thing happened to us. And
We just clicked a lot of pictures.
but I don't know how many of them turned out good.
To be good.
Like yeah.
It's just memories.
Yeah.
Even if we don't post these pictures, they're gonna stay in our gallery, and we are gonna adore them in future.
So we woke up at 5. We had a small puja.
It's the start of
The day.
The day.
And then I made the pookalam, and so what happened is she was editing the whole day.
Yeah.
As we said before, we had to post 2 videos today because इतना network issues है यहाँ पे. Like we don't have Wi-Fi here. So
we are trying our best to be consistent on YouTube.
I know we were like off for a whole month, so
Yeah,
we are
were
making up for
literally-
it.
Yeah, and actually, when we actually took it seriously this time, and it does not feel like a burden. I don't know
Because
why.
we are enjoying.
Yeah,
doing that.
even if I'm editing, पहले अगर मेरे को एडिटिंग करने बोल देती ना निधि चेची, तो फिर मैं ऐसे हो जाती थी कि हाँ मैं थोड़ी देर में करती हूँ, थोड़ी देर में करती हूँ, एंड देन एंड मोमेंट पे हम लोग वो वीडियो 1 साल पुराना वीडियो होगा, वो हम एडिट करने लेंगे और फिर वो देखने टाइम मन नहीं करता था, फिर हम लोग वो स्क्रैप में डाल देते थे. तो लेकिन फिर अभी वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट.
ഒരു ഹായ് പറ വെറുതെ ഇങ്ങനെ പുറകില് ഒന്ന് ഹായ് പറഞ്ഞു
Hello.
I just wanted to thank you all for all the wishes. I read all your comments and I loved it, and also I got so many messages, so thank you so much for that.
Her stories were filled with wishes.
I had a great day. She planned out a huge surprise for me. It was very huge for me, don't make that face.
Birthdays are a big deal for me. I don't know why, but I love celebrating my birthdays. So the thing is, every year she does so much for my birthday, and then this year I could not do a lot for her birthday, but still I tried my best. Actually, I would say I tried my best.
She did. I mean, so much of efforts. She literally contacted my friends and asked them for a video, and all those videos. I mean, I cried.
What I did for her was I made an account and posted her videos and everything. We'll attach a screen recording of that and also a screen recording of her crying watching her friends' videos. So enjoy watching that. Also guys, vlogging is very new for us. Even today we could not vlog a lot because दिन कैसे चला जाता है ना समझ ही नहीं आता है और फिर ऐसे हो जाता है कि oh shit we did not even vlog the whole day. Like we vlogged
also दोपहर का खाना we did not even shoot properly. बाद में मम्मी बोलते हैं तुमको ऐसा करना चाहिए था, वैसा
Actually
करना
the thing
चाहिए
is we wore a sari and we thought of clicking pictures first and then having our food, but then हम लोग का साड़ी पहन के ही कुछ 2 o'clock हो गया था तो तब तक
And
बहुत भूख
हाँ,
लग रही
सबको
थी. Day by day we will get better at this and if we could not show you all a lot we are sorry.
And also we want you guys to know that you can comment and let us know if we are going wrong somewhere, or if you want us to change our style or content or anything, or if you want to suggest us anything to do, so please
Like
let us know.
videos in particular, if you all want any video in particular, write it in the comments section. I don't think there's a lot to show you all abhi raat ko. We'll just be having our food. We'll still show that to you all.
We'll add some clips. If you enjoyed watching this video even for a little bit, please like, comment, share and subscribe.
And also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video.
Toodles! Flying kiss. Bye!